Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to copy and paste photo in iPhone. So if you have a particular photo you want to send to maybe iMessage or WhatsApp or Facebook, and you just want to copy and paste the photo on your iPhone without sending the photo, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to copy and paste photo in iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then locate the photo you want to copy. Press and hold the photo. Then you should see this pop. Click on copy. Now to paste the photo, go to your messaging app or email app, open it. Then select the shot where you want to paste the photo. Now to paste the photo, just tap it and then you should see paste. Go ahead and click on paste. Then you should see this pop. Now go ahead and click on send. Then this is going to paste the photo. You see that? However, if you want to send the photo to iMessage, repeat the same thing. Come to your iMessage and then paste the photo. Then click on send. So that's exactly how to copy and paste photo on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.